Have you ever wondered why some people always have financial abundance while others struggle to make ends meet? The secret is not just about making money, but more importantly, how you control and manage cash flow. In today's video, we will explore financial principles that help you master cash flow and gradually achieve financial freedom. Let's get started. The secret of cash flow. Mastering cash flow to achieve financial freedom. Money is always an intriguing and mysterious topic in life. Cash flow is not just the movement of assets, it is an art. A strategy that successful people have mastered. Understanding the secrets of cash flow is the key to controlling finances and achieving financial freedom. When cash flow is well managed, we can live more comfortably, reduce financial stress, and move towards the life of our dreams. How does cash flow work? Cash flow is divided into two main types: cash inflow, income, and cash outflow, expenses. The wealthy do not just focus on earning money. They pay close attention to how money works, how it circulates, and how it creates more value. They don't just work for money, they make money work for them. Cash inflow. Cash inflow includes all sources of income a person can earn. This could be salaries, business profits, investment returns, savings interest, or royalties. Wealthy individuals often have multiple income streams rather than relying on just one. Cash outflow. Cash outflow includes all the money spent on daily necessities, from essential needs such as food, housing, and transportation to entertainment and personal investments. Controlling cash outflow is a crucial factor in protecting assets and optimizing financial management. Mindset about cash flow. Wealthy people not only earn money efficiently but also have a unique financial mindset. They view money as a tool, not a goal. Understand the power of compound interest and long-term investments. Leverage financial tools to increase asset value. Prioritize passive income over relying solely on active income. They know that controlling cash flow is not just about saving, it's about growing their wealth by investing wisely. Secrets of cash flow. Saving and reinvesting. Wealthy individuals do not keep their money in cash. They continuously seek ways to invest in profit-generating assets such as real estate, stocks, and businesses. They understand that inflation decreases the value of money over time, so smart investing is the only way to maintain and grow wealth. For example, one might deposit money into a high-interest savings account, buy shares in potential companies, or invest in real estate to generate passive income. Diversifying income sources. Relying on a single income source is a significant risk. Those who maintain sustainable cash flow always have multiple income streams. Salary income. A stable income from their main job. Investment income. Profits from stocks, bonds, and real estate. Business income. Personal businesses or shares in companies. Royalty income. Books, music, inventions, software. Rental income. Real estate. Vehicles, equipment. Expanding and optimizing income sources. People with strong financial intelligence not only have multiple income sources but also optimize each one. Enhancing personal value. Learning and improving skills to increase income from their primary job. Reinvesting profits. Using investment returns to expand their portfolio. Growing businesses. Taking their personal ventures to the next level by expanding scale and market reach. Leveraging technology. Using technology to generate passive income through affiliate marketing, e-commerce, or digital content creation. This diversification and optimization ensure that they maintain income even if one source is affected. Utilizing financial tools. Financial tools help optimize cash flow and minimize financial risks, including insurance. Protects assets and income from unforeseen risks. Investment funds. Allows investment in various sectors without requiring deep expertise. High-interest savings accounts. Ensures money keeps generating profit instead of sitting idle. Smart expense management. People who control cash flow do not spend based on emotions. They create clear budgets and prioritize spending on things that generate future value rather than indulging in wasteful expenses. A popular budgeting method is the 50-30-20 rule. 50% for essentials, housing, food, bills, transportation. 30% for personal desires, entertainment, travel, shopping. 20% for savings and investments. How to control cash flow. To master cash flow, you need to track personal finances. Knowing how much you earn and where you spend helps manage cash flow effectively. Set financial goals. Have short-term and long-term plans to guide your cash flow. Invest wisely. Learn about investment channels that align with your financial goals and capabilities. Keep learning. Financial knowledge is key to ensuring cash flow continuously flows toward you. Think long-term. Focus on sustainable investments rather than just short-term profits. Cash flow is not just numbers in a bank account. It reflects each person's financial mindset and strategy. Understanding the secrets of cash flow is the first step to achieving financial freedom and building a prosperous life. Cash flow is not just about numbers in an account. It's a strategy to build your dream life. Start by tracking your finances, optimizing your income, and investing wisely. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you won't miss out on more valuable financial content. See you in the next video.